Hello, beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails, and today we're talking about a new stamping plate brand. This is a company called Uprettygo, and they are out of China. I was contacted by the company to review the plates, so I did receive these in PR. But you can get these plates from AliExpress, and they range from $2 to $5 in price. And I'll make sure to link the website in the description box. So if you want to check it out, it is uprettygonailbeauty.aliexpress.com. So like I said, I'll link that in the description box below. But I thought I would do a little stamping with these plates with you to test them out and see how they work. And I have my nails prepped and ready to go. I used the Supergirl collection just because I thought it would be fun from OPI. So those are the nails that I have prepped and ready to go. We have 5 plates. This plate is UX055, and it is, as you can see, it's dots. And I thought that this would be really, really fun. I don't have any plates like this. The next plate that I selected was UX005. And this has constellations on it and planets on it. Let me get the light out of the way a little bit so it's not so distracting. But it has constellations on it and stars and moons, and I just thought that this was really, really beautiful. It's got all the phases of the moon up there at the top. Then I picked up this plate, which is CP007, and I just thought the outlines of the cats were so adorable. I love the little whiskers right here and just the, very elegant outlines of the kitty cats. Then next I picked up this autumn plate, and you can tell these are from another country because there is, other writing on here that's not American, but there is American, like Hello Fall, and down here we have September, October, November, and then just these beautiful images for autumn. I thought this was really pretty. So this is plate CP018. And the last plate that I picked up was a Halloween plate. This is CP003 from Uprettygo, and this is their Halloween design. So like I said, all of these range from between $2 to $5 on the AliExpress website. And I placed my order with them on the 6th, and I received my plates on the 16th. They are international, so you have to use international shipping to track your package. But it was super easy to do, and I had no problems with that at all. So I just typed international shipping into Google and used the first one that came up. I entered the tracking number that they gave me, and it told me where my package was at all times. So that was super easy. So, like I said, we'll do a little stamping. I think I'll do the kitty cat first on the pink nail. No, I'm going to do the dots first because I want to play with this plate first. I'll move these up out of the way. And I have my stamper and my scraper over here. And for this, I think I'm going to use silver. Or gray. What do you think? Silver or gray? Gray. We'll do gray. The gray on the pink will look really pretty. So let me know in the comments what you think about these plates as we start using them. They feel like they're very well etched. They did come with the protective sleeve over all of them, but I did take that off already because I didn't want to do the SMAR. And that was a perfect pickup. Very well etched. I'll use my tape over here to clean off around the edges. And these are extra long, so I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. These aren't going to reach all of the, and I can always fix that in post-production, but this is what that looks like over the pink. These aren't meant for super long nails. These are medium length almond nails. So I think these would work better on, you know, shorter nails, but that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. So that is what the gray dots look like over the pink. And like I said, these are etched, that was etched very, very well. I didn't have any problems picking up that design, and it stamped down beautifully. So those were the polka dots, and that again was plate UX055. I don't know how well you can see that on there, but it's there we go, UX055. Beautiful plate. Love that. So that's the first one. The second one we have here is the moon and stars with the astrological signs. And I love having an astrological plate. I'll tilt it up so you can see it a little bit better. I love the moon and stars. I love this rainbow over here. How cute is that? And then they have Capricorn, Scorpio, Gemini, Sagittarius, Pisces, Leo, Taurus, Libra, Virgo, Aries, Aquarius, and Cancer. And I'm going to do the Cancer one because I am a Cancer. So I'm going to clean off my stamper here real quick. And for this one, we're going to use the white background. And I'm going to use pink because I think pink will be fun. Sorry for hitting the camera. I'll move this up a little bit here. And I'll try to zoom in a little bit here. There we go. And here is the Cancer. So let's see how well this works. Oop, I'm making a big old mess. That's okay. Okay, that picked up really, really well. I mean, this is a very small design with very intricate details, so I'm not surprised that's a little bit trickier to pick up, but it did a good job. So that is the Cancer, and we're going to stamp this down on this nail here. And it placed very well. Now, I did lose a line here. Like I said, these are very intricate details, so that was my fault. I could have done a little bit better job of picking up the stamp, but considering it turned out really, really well. So that is the star sign for Cancer on here. Clean this up. So this again is the astrological plate, and it is UX005 if you're interested in picking up that one. I'll put this back up here. And then, so those were the big plates, and then I got 3 small plates. The cat plate, the Halloween plate, and the autumn plate. And I'm going to use the autumn plate for the gold nail. And I'm just going to do something simple. I'm going to do black for this one. And I'm going to stamp the leaves on here. Or maybe the pumpkin. I'll stamp the pumpkin. No, I'll do the pumpkin. I'm going to do the pumpkin on the orange. We're going to change things up a little bit here. Sorry I'm so confusing right now. But thank you for being patient with me. So I've got this little pumpkin here in the corner. I'm just going to use the black to pick up the outline. And we'll see how this plate works. And like I said, this is plate CP018. Okay, I'm going to stamp that again because I did pick up a little bit of extra. You can see at the bottom there. I can try to get that off, but then I did get some at the top too. So I'm gonna try to restamp this one and see if I can get a better pickup. Hold on 1 second here. I think I used a little too much polish, to be honest. So let's use a little bit less. Just one swipe. And we'll do swipe. And that was much better. So we got that cute little pumpkin with those leaves. And then of course you could always do reverse stamping. So I'm gonna clean this off and get everything we don't need on here off of the stamper. All right, that's done. And then here is our orange nail. And we're gonna stamp that right down on there. Oh no! The lines are so fine. Let me see if I go a little bit slower. There we go, there we go. We got it that time. So that is the pumpkin on the orange. And that again is plate CP018. And I can't wait to use this one more in the fall for the young ladies that they have on here. I think that that is just so pretty. Or the couple standing under the umbrella. This girl here with the hat and the scarf. Such a cute plate. Next, we're going to do the kitty cats on the gold. And I'm just going to use white for that. And I think I'm going to use this kitty cat here. This is plate CP007. I love the little trail of kitty cat paws. And that was a perfect pickup. So we'll clean up around the edges to get the excess off. And we've got our gold nail here. And I'm gonna try to get this down in the corner like that. And that was a perfect stamp. I love how the kitty cat paws trail off. That is super cute. So all of these are stamping beautifully so far. A little user error on my part, but I've never used these plates before. So I think that so far I'm very, very happy with how these are turning out. And the last plate we have is the Halloween plate. And I'm gonna stamp this on the blue one. And I think we'll use silver. And let me clean that off right there. Oh. And I think we're going to use this spider web right here. So metal is super, super thick. So you don't use a lot, but. All right, and we'll give it a scrape. And a stamp. And once again, we got a beautiful pickup. I don't want to let this dry too much. And we'll put this up in the corner. Stamp it down, and there we go. So these plates, that was plate, once again, that was plate CP003. So those are the plates that I received from Uprettygo in PR to share with you and show you how they look and how they work. We've got the dots, we've got our cancer nail, we've got our kitty cat nail, we've got our spider web nail, and we have our pumpkin nail. So those turned out really, really cute. I'm super, super happy with these. Like I said, if you'd like to pick these up for yourself, they are available on AliExpress, and they range in price from $2 to $5. $5 for the bigger plates and $2 for the smaller plates. And I will leave the link in the description box below so you can check them out if you want to. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you and let you know, whatever you have questions about, as best as I'm able to. If you have made it this far and you liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. I love it when you do that. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.